We were tasked by a manufacturer of manometers to test the induction soldering of a Bourdon pipe to a brass body and a cap using an efficient and reliable process. The client's key requirement was to achieve a maximum heating cycle of 6 to 8 seconds per joint while ensuring a good and reliable solder flow without overheating the Bourdon pipe. Our application engineers conducted multiple tests with different settings on a solo 12 kW system, resulting in heat cycle times of 4, 7, and 8 seconds for different sized parts. Fixtures are strongly recommended for production to ensure the pipe's proper positioning inside the coil.